Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2015 GMC Sierra. Stock number is A7891. Starting right away up front, you have factory fog lamps and easy access heavy-duty tow hooks. Front parking sensors, chrome bumper and grille. A look down the passenger side. You have 20-inch chrome wheels, and those are wrapped with Goodyear Wrangler tires. Running boards on the side, inside, leather interior. Seats are very clean all the way throughout. One more look down the passenger side, then we're going to swing around to the back end. You have a factory trailer hitch, rear backup sensors, and a camera. Spray-in bed liner keeps the bed very safe. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of Highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used truck dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Four-wheel drive controls, cruise, heated steering wheel, audio and Bluetooth controls, full touchscreen that includes your stereo, dual climate control and dual heated seats. Down here you have 3 USB ports and a regular plug so you can charge any of your devices. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Sierra on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All of this and much more at holidayautomotive.com.